Bonjour tout le monde, welcome to my channel Friendship with Sim, and today we're going to learn how to pronounce alphabets in French. Before diving into the video, I would like you all to subscribe to my channel, like this video and throw a comment in the comment section. Without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. So, the letter A in English is pronounced as A in French. Similarly, the letter B is pronounced as B, C is pronounced as say, and D is pronounced as they. So let's pronounce all of these four letters together. A, B, say, they. So the letter E in English is pronounced as E in French. F is pronounced the same as F. G in English is pronounced as J in French. And H is pronounced as H. Make sure you do not say the sound of H from your throat. H. Now we'll say these four letters together. E, F, J, H. Moving on to the next letters, I, J, K and L. I is pronounced as E in French. J is pronounced as J. K is pronounced as K. And L is pronounced the same as L. Now we'll say these four letters together. E, J, K, L. Now moving on to the next letters, M, N, O and P in English alphabet. M, N and O are pronounced as the same in French. And P is pronounced as P. So now saying these four letters together, M, N, O, P. Moving on to the next set of letters, Q, R, S and T. Q is pronounced as Q in French. Make sure, just notice my lips. Q. R is pronounced as H. This should come from your epiglottis. H, just like Khan, H. S is pronounced the same as S, and T is pronounced as T. Moving on to the next set, U, V, W, X. U is pronounced as U. U. V is pronounced as V. W is pronounced as W. And X is pronounced as X. Y is pronounced as Y. And Z is pronounced as Z. Now saying all of the letters that we learned right now together, Q, H, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Now we will say all the alphabets in French. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Alors, we are done learning with how to pronounce alphabets in French. I hope this video was useful for you guys. If you liked it, please like this video, comment in the comment section and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get updates of every new video that I post. You can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Friendship with Sim. And I will see you in the next video. Au revoir!